I guess you can line me up.
Alright.
Flying for a right downwind, runway 12. From, what's the first fix there on the final approach course?
We have posted, that's the final approach fix.
You can go from calls. We start with calls.
Allegiance 9420, turn right heading 290, and climb out remains the same.
Right heading 290, Mr. Approach, climb out, stay the same, Allegiance 9420.
I got tab plus 17. And some light rain.
Want to go.
United 2742, turn right heading 030.
030, United 2742.
Now let's see if we can go a little bit lower.
Pod 1, any jump for low?
Pod 1, you can expect lower in 5 miles.
Sorry, Pod 1.
It's not going to help me.
And Pod 1, correction, descend to maintain 10,000, lower again in 5 miles.
Down to 10,000, 10,000.
Okay.
I see 10,000.
United 2742, continue right turn heading 090, and advise when you have Tucson Airport in sight.
090, we have a field in sight, United 2742.
United 2742, cleared visual approach runway 12.
Cleared visual runway 12, United 2742.
Allegiance 9420, turn right heading 300.
Heading 300, Allegiance 9420. Departure 810 Kilo Juliet, 6.2, climbing 17000.
Number 810 Kilo Juliet, Tucson departure ready contact. Turn right heading 210, vector Kilo Bend.
Right approach, okay. Turn heading 120. Roads are on, crew bells. Kilo Juliet.
Left.
Kilo Juliet, turn right heading 210.
Is on standby. 210. Visual comms rotor.
Pod 1, descend to maintain at 7,000.
Down to 7,000, airport 1.
Guys, 7,000.
7,000, I see.
Field is...
0 Kilo Juliet, turn right direct Kilo Bend.
I see it.
Kilo Bend, 0 Kilo Juliet.
1 at 2 o'clock.
United 2742, contact tower 118.3.
Over to 1183, United 2742. Airport 1, I prefer that.
Airport 1, roger.
Want to go?
Want to go. Can I ask for 4 maybe?
Sure.
Airport 1, any change for runway 4?
Airport 1, you can have runway 4, but you'll still have to wait for a runway 12 arrival.
Airport 1?
Airport 1, do you still want runway 4, or do you want runway 12?
Runway 4.
We prefer runway 4, Airport 1.
Airport 1, roger. Turn right heading 240, expect the runway 4.
Heading 240, Airport 1, expect runway 4.
You can load the visual 3 miles to runway 4 and just send the speeds again.
Number 0 Kilo Juliet, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4.
125.4, 0 Kilo Juliet.
You know, the wind was
200.
200. That's how's
Airport 1, turn right heading 280.
Right, 280, Airport 1.
and the strength was again?
Airport 1, you say you do have the fuel
Oh
inside?
no, let's stay on the
Okay.
let's stay on runway 12.
Airport 1, confirm you do have the field in sight.
We have the field inside, and Airport 1 would like to change back to 12 now.
Airport 1, roger. Okay, you can expect Vector's to final for runway 12, thank you.
Okay, Vector's the final runway 12, Airport 1.
Allegiance 9420, turn right heading 030.
Right, you're heading 030, Leon 9420.
I forget the wind picked up a little bit.
Yeah.
Turning off the radar.
Okay.
Airport 1, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 6,000.
Heading 300 down to 6,000, Airport 1.
Allegiance 9420, 8.5 miles from Watson, turn right heading 100, maintain 7,000 until established on the localizer, clear approach.
Roger, heading 100, 7,000 to establish on the localizer, clear, pilot 1 to approach with 9420.
That's the guy on the
Airport 1, turn right heading 350, descend and maintain 5,000.
350 down to 5,000, Airport 1.
if that's the guy on like a 20-mile final, we can definitely cut inside of him.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
And Allegiance 9420, reduce speed to 190 or less for arrival ahead of you.
Alright, 190 or less for the 9420.
Airport 1, cleared visual approach runway 12.
Good for visual 12, Airport 1.
Okay, flaps 20.
Speed check, flaps 20.
I'll see
Airport 1, contact Tucson Tower 118.3, have a good day.
the sent you to tower.
Yeah, over the tower, Airport 1. Tucson Tower, lower Airport 1 on the visual 12.
And Ops 4 exit, runway 12 at Alpha 6.
Gear down, please.
Pod 1 Tucson Tower, 10808, runway 12, clear to land.
12 clear to land, Airport 1.
There's a wall of rain.
And Alpha 4 is clear, 12 at Alpha 6, standing by.
Ops 4 roger.
Okay, and flaps full.
Flaps are coming to full. Tower Legion 9420, ILS runway 12.
Legion 9420 Tucson Tower, number 2 behind a Challenger 4-mile right base, wind 0708, runway 12, cleared for the option.
Alright, Legion 9420, clear for the option. We're planning on a touch and go.
landing checks, yeah. Confirmed.
Lights are on, you're clear to land.
Thank you.
Complete.
Wind check.
Wind is 060 at Niner.
500. One hundred. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Board's going out.
Okay.
Reverse is green. 100.
Okay.
80 knots.
Copy. We'll go left on Alpha 13.
Okay. 60 knots.
Odd 1 left Alpha 13, contact ground, good day.
Alpha 13 and over the ground there, part 1, bye-bye.
Alright.
Alright, come 2.
Com 2.
Tucson ground, lower part 1, Alpha 1, 2, Alpha 13, 2 executive.
Pod 1, Tucson ground, taxi to executive via Alpha Delta.
Alpha Delta 2 executive, there, part 1.
Alpha Delta. After landing checks.
After landing.
And right side's clear, left side is clear. And can turn on the APL. Perfect. Tricky winds on final, like change 108 degrees.
Yeah.
On base it was 14 knots tailwind, and then on final it was 14 knots left crosswind.
Yeah.
Is the brain coming towards us?
I think it's going this way.
That's good. After landing complete.
After landing check is complete.
Thank you. No. Guess a new one and old one. Customs is just underneath the, I guess the old tower.
Right here.
Yeah, with the blue canopy thing. Switch the plates. I'll be there. There's all the F-16s.
Tucson ground, maintenance 14. Maintenance 14, Tucson ground.
14 over here at Customs requesting North Group taxiways.
Maintenance 14, proceed north tax group.
Seeing North Group taxiways, maintenance 14.
Left side's clear. Right.
Clear.
Copy.
There's an open at the end there.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get off the taxiway before.
Yeah.
Tucson ground, airport 763.
Airport 763, Tucson ground.
Airport 763, located at the base field tower. Like to take Alpha to the fire station.
Alright, see the marshal, taxi lights off.
Taxi lights off.
Airport 763, Alpha to the fire station.
Citation 39er Golf Golf, Tucson clearance clear to Tango Whiskey Foxtrot Airport via sliding 120 radar vectors. Burrow 5 departure, B-ball transition as filed, maintain 17,000. Departure frequency 125.1, squawk 0701. Citation 300 Golf Golf, reback right.
We're done.
Let's go at lunch.